everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. On today's show, I'm going to do a review of this fancy new Geedel potato slicer that I got. We're going to give it a try and see how it works, unbox it, and we'll try a potato and see what we think of it. So we get it out of the box here. A little difficult to get out of the box, but here it is. Looks like you put the potato in and you push this down. It doesn't look like there's too much to it. Looks pretty simple. I guess we'll give it a try. So, what we need to do is take our potato, and I also have this component that I wanted to review also. So this is for potatoes. So the first thing we want to do, of course, is wash this. So I've washed my potato. Now they recommend that you pre-slice this. So I'm going to try this fancy potato slicer. Just like that. Cut some like that. And we'll go one more time. There you go. It makes kind of an interesting mark across it. If you wanted to use this just to make them, you could. Or we could use this fancy slicer. So let's see how you do this. Okay, it looks like these are too long to fit in this. So it did say to cut them, but it didn't specify. So I'm going to say cut your potato in half, like that. And then take your potato, put it in here, and push that like that. Well, that's pretty easy. So far, folks, I'm giving this an A+. This works real darn well. Look how easy that is. I've had other ones of these that have broken. Yes. I'm going to say this works. Now, I don't make any money for recommending it, but I'm going to say it works. I would say buy it. And this little tool here was pretty interesting. It worked too. If you just want to cut up your potatoes, I believe I got it in a 2-pack, and I believe I ordered these from Wish. So either Wish or Amazon on that one, and I'm pretty sure this was from Wish. So check it out. That's my review for the day. Another thumbs up. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.